Hi, friends. Ready to swim? First, kick your legs. Go on.
Great job. Now float and splash.
Kick, 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 kick. Splash, splash. Float, float. Splash and kick. Splash, splash, swish, swish, rise to swim. It float, body swing. Watch the water begin. Wow! Look at this big blue pool. First lesson, touch the water.
It's cool.
Now let's splash gently. Hold the pool wall and kick your legs. Kick, kick, kicks. 1, 2, 3. That's how swimmers start to be.
I'm doing it.
Now let's float on our backs like a starfish.
I feel like I'm flying.
The water helps hold you up. Take a deep breath and blow bubbles. That helps us learn to put our faces near water safely. Hold the board and kick to me. You're swimming. Kick and splash, float and glide.
Swimming safely side by side.
Blow some bubbles, count to 3.
Swimming is fun for you and me.
What do we remember? Always swim with a grown-up.
Wear a life jacket.
And practice
Slightly safe.
Splash, splash, swish, swish, rise to swim. It float, body swing. Watch the water begin.